Welcome back, guys, to my another unboxing and comparison video. This is Gunbay channel from the Philippines. Before we start, please like and subscribe to my channel. Again, please like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, today we were gonna unbox a Takara Tomy Beyblade, and this is the Phatom Orion, and we will compare it on the Rapidity version. So this is the Rapidity box. I already unboxed it, and I already opened I already used this bay. It's pretty powerful, as you can see, but it has no bearing on it, I think. So let's compare the box. So this is the Rapidity, this is the Takara, side by side. This is the Rapidity, and this is the Takara. Takara is the original manufacturer of Beyblades. And the other side, as you can see, they have differences at the bottom. Okay, at the top, okay, this is the Rapidity. At the back, and this is the Takara Tomy version, the legit one. Okay, so now let's open this box. Okay, I have the X-Acto knife. I ordered this from overseas. If you have Shopee app on your country, then you can buy it. If you don't, just look at on the eBay or Amazon if available. If there's a available Takara or Rapidity Beyblades on. Okay, this is the whole content of the box. First, we have the sticker sheet and the manual. At the back, there's the tool. Secondly, the bearing driver. Next is the ripcord. As you can see, it's sealed. Next is the launcher and the Beyblade, the clear wheel, the metal frame, and the facebook. So let's open this. This is the launcher. I will not open this. I will keep it as is, sealed. Okay, we will focus on the Beyblade and compare it. Okay, this is the Beyblade itself. Just a little opening. Okay, let's set aside the plastic and the cardboard. This is the face bolt, not tattooed. clear wheel. This is the clear wheel. And this is the Phantom. This is the metal frame. It's pretty heavy. Next is the bottom track. The BD. The the BD bearing drive. So this is the bearing drive. As you can see, it's made from translucent plastic. And you can barely see the bearing inside. I hope you can see it because my camera is blurry. Right. Next is I will disassemble this to compare it and show to you guys. So, okay, this side is the Takara tomy, and this side is from Rapidity. First, let's compare the clear wheel. It's pretty close. This is the Takara tomy, this is the Rapidity. At the back, okay. Next is the face bolt. This is the Takara tomy, this is the Rapidity. The Takara tomy is made from translucent plastic, while the Rapidity is not. I already put the sticker on it. Okay. Next is the Phantom. This is Rapidity, this is the Takara tomy. Okay, side by side. Next is the metal frame. They're both heavy, but this one is more smooth. You can feel the smoothness, and this is a little rough. Okay. This is the detail of the metal frame on the top and the bottom. It's pretty similar. Okay, the last one, the driver. They are, as you can see, they're both similar. But this one I think has not, there's no bearing inside. This is Rapidity, this is Takara tomy. This plastic is made from translucent plastic also. And you can barely see the bearing inside. So this one is Rapidity. Okay. Okay, so let's build it together. So first is the Rapidity, but I love them both. I like the Rapidity. I'm shocked when I get the correct combo. Okay. surprised when I got the correct combo. I mean, so this is the Rapidity. Okay, next one is the Takara. Phantom Orion has two modes. You have to flip the metal frame from this one to this one. This is my setup on Rapidity, and then as you can see, then in Takara Tomy, I will flip this with this side. Okay. Alright. Okay. As you can see there, the two modes of Phantom Orion. I will not put a sticker on it. I will keep it as is. So let's have a comparison on the top, side to side, and on the bottom. Soon I will test battle these two Beyblades. Okay, so stay tuned. So there you have it, guys, my unboxing and comparison of this two Phantom Orion from Rapidity and Takara Tomy, the original and the fake. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys, on my vlog channel. This is Gunway channel. Before I leave, please leave a like on my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys, for watching. Please stay tuned and see you soon.